Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy Pegasus 5.0, and today I'm gonna bring you guys the video. Basically bought a part for Pegasus and come with us to the shop so you guys can check it out. Let's go. The homie Gary got some new rims for his Infinity. Dog, he's getting all crazy with his fucking rims. But yeah, we're basically heading to the body shop. Hopefully the body shop's not that busy. What else? Look at that Mustang. Oh, that's another. I believe that's a 2020 Ford Mustang. Dude, look at the sound of it. Oh. Mustang with the RGB lights. Oh, yeah, that shit is nice. But yeah, we're almost getting to the shop. But yeah, fuck, and then look, the homie Rafe, with the Straight Empire banner in the back. Alright guys, since we're heading over there to the shop, I want to let you guys know a little bit about us. I'm from Salinas 831. I have a car crew. We're 60 members deep right now. The car crew is called Straight Empire. Go support and give us a follow. Okay guys, we're already right here at the body shop. Let me get the part real quick so we can start installing it, and let's get this done. Alright guys, bad news. It started to rain, so we're gonna have to probably just cut the video here. Psych! Alright guys, I'm gonna start taking off the bumper from the front. I gotta basically take the whole thing off, the clips and everything. So let's get started. So basically I already took off all the parts, the bumper and everything. Probably thinking you guys already know, probably guessed it, what I got. Let's find out. This is the fun part. Guys, you see, these are the new headlights for Pegasus. Well, what do you guys think? It's kind of raining, so I can't take a video or anything, but I'm going to take a video tomorrow so you guys can check them out. Yeah, that's how it's basically good. So it's the next day guys, and we're on our way to this parking lot here in Salinas, so I can take some quick clips of Pegasus so you guys can check them out how they look with the new headlights on. Alright guys, so we're here at the parking lot. I'm gonna take off the real quick. Alright guys, so this is how Pegasus looks with the new headlights. What do you guys think? us and buying our merch. And if you guys want to buy anything or purchase anything, you guys can hit us up on Instagram, or you guys can comment down below. And also, big shout out to you guys for the support. And if you guys like the video, just give a like and subscribe. Thank you, appreciate it. Peace.